And let us know, because in a future episode, maybe we can do top 5 tips on how to use Git the best. Because the last thing you want to be doing, a little spoiler for a future episode, is start making changes to code without getting the latest. I don't know how many times. Maybe that sometimes you want to do that, sometimes you don't. I found it.
Sometimes you do if you're making a bug fix to a previous version, then yeah. But these days, especially in DevOps, you want to fail forward. You always want to be working on the trunk. We used to call the main branch the trunk in some version control tools, and that's what trunk-based development is all about. And more often than not, you're working on a feature branch that is the latest code. And you're just continuing down that path, and then some other group will do a sync merge or something up to
Yeah, I guess it really just depends on where do you want to troubleshoot, right? You're either troubleshooting by getting the latest and then figuring out your changes, or you're troubleshooting once you've made your changes and going, oh crap, somebody else is working on something similar.
Yeah. So there's two parts of that. You always want to be troubleshooting in your own repo. You don't want to be troubleshooting after you push your changes up. You're like, okay, I pushed my changes up, and now the build. So no, you don't want to do that. You don't want to be the guy who broke the build or breaks everyone else's build once they all do pulls. You want to be the guy that okay, you did all your changes on your own branch. You do a pull just before you do a push to make sure you have the latest code. Troubleshoot there, and then do a push.